If someone is annoying you, spamming, or making your game experience uncomfortable, Roblox lets you block them instantly. Here's how to block someone on Roblox using your mobile phone. First, you need to go ahead and open your Roblox application on your mobile device, log into your account, and then you need to simply go ahead and search for the username of the person that you want to block. So go ahead and tap on this search icon feature in the top of the screen. Search for the username that you want to block. Go to the people section. And once you find the person that you want to block, go to their profile first. Tap on the three dot menu, which is in the left hand side of the screen beside the add connection option. You will see two different options, that is block and report. Go ahead and tap on block. Tap on block again to confirm, and you'll be done. If you want to unblock them someday, you can go to their profile and tap on unblock, or you can go to your settings first and then tap on account info in the top. From this page, scroll all the way down. Tap on privacy and content restrictions, that is below the security option. Now from this page, you will see the blocked users option, that is below trading and inventory. Here you'll see the list of people or the profile that you've blocked on Roblox. And if you want to unblock them, tap on the unblock option, that is in the right hand side of the screen beside their name. Tap on unblock again to confirm, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.